guys, and welcome to my channel. Here I am back with my Clean With Me routines video series, and today I'm coming with you with what I clean every day, so my daily routines. So as most of you know, if you watch my channel, I start my day with exercise, and right after I do a load of laundry. Then I go into my bathroom and I wipe down everything with a fiber, like an EnviroCloth, and swoosh the toilet. Then I make my bed. This is what I do every single morning. Usually takes me about 20 minutes to get it all done, and then I get ready after that. I also put away any laundry that needs to be put away from the day before. That way I don't have a pile up of laundry. After I come down and we have breakfast and kids are off to school, I clean the kitchen after breakfast. This is a constant repetition. That's all I ever do is clean the kitchen. So sometimes I load the dishwasher, sometimes I just wash the dishes, sometimes I have dishes to put away from the top drying, and sometimes I don't. Depends on how productive I was the night before. And I always wipe down the counter. Then by now usually my daycare kids are here and I go about my day, and I come back. Another cleaning thing that I do is after lunch I always make sure I clean the dishes. And again, it's one of those things, I either wash the dishes by hand or I will load the dishwasher, but I always make sure I wash all the dishes so that way I am ready to go for dinner with a clean kitchen. I also make sure that I put away some of these dishes because everything ends up piling up, and I don't like to have to spend half an hour cleaning before dinner. So I make sure everything's put away, and again I wipe down the counter. I also make sure that I have my meat out for the dinner. Not that that's part of the cleaning routine, but it is something that I make sure. After my countertops are wiped and everything's put away, I usually take a rest. And then about half an hour, 40 minutes later, I take about half an hour to 40 minutes to just power clean the house. Power pickup, it's what I call it. I just put everything where it should be. And as you can see, I actually did this video over 2 days because I ran out of time to do it the day before. And here I'm back again with the dinner cleanup. So after we have dinner, the kids usually empty the dishwasher when they come home from school. So I always start my dinner cleanup with an empty dishwasher. That is their routine. Sometimes my husband helps me with the cleanup of the kitchen, depending on if he's driving the kids to their activities or not. Sometimes I'll drive them to activities and he cleans the kitchen. We just take turns, and most nights my kids will do the vacuuming. We always vacuum the main floor every single day. We have a dog, and with the daycare it's important that the floors are clean. So in this video I am vacuuming because both of them had activities that they had to go to, so I just did it. But usually it is the two of them. They take turns. One day one, and the other day other one vacuums. And same with emptying the dishwasher. Also part of my kitchen nightly cleanup, I like to give my stove a wipe down. I don't use any products. It's simply just to wipe down if there's any spills or any crumbs on it. I give it a wipe, and I always empty the garbage. That way it makes the kitchen smell go away too. After I'm done cleaning the kitchen, I like to wipe down my powder room. This is the bathroom that the daycare kids use, so I'd like to give it a good wipe down. So we not only do we vacuum the whole main floor. Living room and dining room get quick, especially the living room because that's where the dog sleeps. So I will do the quick vacuum there, but the dining room usually only if it's necessary, but everything else does get vacuumed. And the last thing that I do for the day is after I get ready for bed, well, wash my makeup off, wash my face, I change the pajamas, I come down, usually have a cup of tea, and I empty the dishwasher. That way it is empty for my morning. Hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, give me a thumbs up. And if you're new, I would love for you to subscribe. And until next time, have a wonderful day.